Hey guys, today we'll be having a quick how-to tutorial of how to use OpenRouter and Claude Code. So using the OpenRouter with Code has never been easier thanks to the latest updates. So this is the instruction from the OpenRouter itself. To integrate with Claude Code, you want to install the Claude Code. So here are the recommended installment for Mac OS and for Windows. Next up is you want to connect Claude to OpenRouter. Here are the requirements. So you want to open this one right here. Just want to search up this. And the first one that will appear, just want to press those for a better or seamless doing. After that is start your session. You want to navigate to your project directory. Now you're now connected. Any prompt you will send be routed through OpenRouter. Step 4, you want to verify and confirm your connection by running the status command inside Claude Code. You can also check the OpenRouter activity dashboard to see your requests appearing in real time.